What's up everybody, Justin here. The Winds of Change is the channel name. Today we're going to Walmart. We're going to check out the clearance aisle. Hopefully we find some stuff that can be resold for a profit on Amazon FBA. If not, maybe y'all will just be able to see some deals that are out there in the clearance aisles. I'll show you a couple UPCs just in case anything you might be interested in is in your area. So let's go see what they got.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only got
So we're gonna see what kind of clearance we can get. I've been trying to get into some other stores lately. I used to do Walmart a bunch, but have sort of stopped for a while in favor of bargain stores like Ollie's and Bargain Hunts and different things like that. And of course, always TJ Maxx is one of my favorites, but they've been taking a hit lately. So we're gonna try to see if we can get any clearance here. So they should have an actual clearance. Is this it? Yeah, this is it right here. We found it. So let's check out some of this stuff here. We've got Animal Crossing, normally $30.98, on sale for $15. Be good for the kids, I guess. I'm not sure if it's worth reselling. There's the barcode if y'all are interested. So it looks like they're actually on sale for $7.75, hidden clearance. So that's pretty sweet. Amazon, they're not really selling for anything, but pretty good deal if you're looking for a pickup for your kids or, I don't know, for yourself. Let's see what else we got. Justice. Got a bunch of these Monopoly little collector's figures. I think Justice went out of business. Didn't they close all the Justices? $10 for $16.88. Nothing for that came up for Amazon, so we're gonna pass up on that. What do we got down here? 2 games in 1. Con Jam, $25. This is like outside stuff. Oh, now here's something. Blue's Clues. Wouldn't be able to sell this for new on Amazon for myself because we've got this tore up right here. But see if we can find the price. $29.98. Looks like it was $40. So if some of y'all want to see if that's around you, if that's something you're interested in, there's the barcode. Here's some more stuff here. $7.94 on sale from $7.98. Pretty much a joke. My Life As. These are like I guess little accessories. They don't have a price on them. Oh, here we go, over here. $5.98 down from $9.97. They got a ton more of these. Some Star Wars here. This is pretty cool. $15.58 was $20.78. There's a barcode for that if y'all want to see if they got them. And let's actually see if that's on special clearance real quick. And bonus, this was actually I think $12.27 or $12-ish dollars, so it's a little bit cheaper even than it's saying right here. Unfortunately, they're only selling for not that much on Amazon, so you're not gonna make any money on those. These here, these rat traps, Beast Wars, Transformers, Rat Trap. Now these are actually on sale for $5.99. So here it says $14.98, down from $22.97. These are all the way down to $5.99. Here's the UPC, if anybody's interested. There's the rat dude, how it looks like. But unfortunately, they are not selling for any kind of profit on Amazon. So even though you get them for $5.99, you're still not making anything if you're trying to resell them on FBA. We got a bunch of stuff here. Now I've got to get approval in all these Marvel. Some Marvel I can sell, some I cannot. I have not taken the time to get undone at all the Marvel, but they got some pretty good stuff here. This is $7.38 for $14.92. There's the barcode, and you got this pretty cool staff right here too. This is a good deal as well. $12.73 down from $19.99. Then you've got this little battle here for $11.23. So I actually just ran all these Shang-Chi, and every one of these is on special clearance. And I'll go ahead and post that on the screen. Let's see what else we got. Fortnite, Llama Thing, some more Shang-Chi, and I'm not going to look at that for myself because I know I can't sell them. On my to-do list though, right? Here's some Goo Stretch Legacy for Tasmanian Devil here, $9.70, was $12.93. Just ran the Walmart app, and these are actually $3.23. So that's pretty cool. Like if your kids like it, if you're a collector of these, which I've never met somebody who collects these, but if you are, there's the barcode to see if you got them around you. Unfortunately, Amazon, I am not approved to sell them. Maybe you are, but you're still not making any money. You're only getting $3 back. But it is a really good deal if you just want it for yourself. Now these next things down here, these are pretty sweet, right? Masters of the Universe Battle Cats. So these are $14.98, and they're actually hidden clearance as well for $8.99. I just ran these yesterday, so if you're interested in those, there's the barcode for that. But I'm not going to be getting them because there's no money to be made on Amazon. Let's see what else we got. Got a whole bunch of stuff over here. We'll come get that in a minute. Trash cans. Those don't even look like they're on clearance. They don't have any clearance signs on them or anything like that. So I'm not sure about those. Maybe it's just extra storage for them right now. Well, now here's something interesting. Hart brushless turbo fan blower. Let's see if this is on special clearance at all. So unfortunately, none of these came up on hidden clearance. But you know, if you're looking for one of these turbo fan blower kits, these ones are $109. They're down from $154. And then here's just the cordless system. It's a little bit of a different item, but I'll give you this one here. Mossy Oak camo burlap, $15 down from $30. That's pretty cool. Also hidden clearance. These are actually around $9 instead of the $15. So there's the UPC for that. Some car care items. It's probably a good time of year to get these car care items. I imagine they clearance some of them out just because of the weather. $12.98. No special deals there. Grill burners. Here's a good deal to look out for. Now, I'm not going to be able to resell these, but they are $45 down from $79. And it is it's a filtered, it's a air purifier, right? So an air purifier is something a lot of people are looking for, especially with COVID and during the winter. There's the UPC for that one there, guys. So whenever you are doing clearance, you always have to watch what you're doing, because this is pretty cool, right? Pit Boss Lockhart cover. If you needed this specific grill cover, then this would be an amazing deal for $10. But when you look it up on the Walmart app, it actually shows it as like $43. So sometimes the app that you're gonna run to check the prices for hidden clearance actually gives you a non-clearance price, but the sticker gives you the clearance price. So you gotta watch out for that. So most of the rest of this stuff I just scanned through real quick. There's nothing really too interesting. There's some Ozark Trail flashlights and stuff, but they're only marked down by a few bucks. There's these Star Bellies down here, but they're still $19.99, so not really gonna do much there with them. I did check out the L'Oreal Power Restore El Vive. They don't have any clearance stuff on them, but they were $10 on Amazon, and they were $10 in here. So I think that about wraps it up for the clearance aisle, honestly. They do have some of these dolls down here, these na-na-nas, and they're on sale here, $15.66 for $20.88. Didn't see them on special clearance. Gonna leave those. So nothing really in the clearance aisle today. I think the Shang-Chis were probably about the best thing that we got. So they're right here behind me, and you can check those out. The Shang-Chi is really what I think it was probably the best finds here as far as clearance goes. So let's go check out the toys real quick. So we're here in the toys now. A lot of people are raving about the Lego clearances at Walmart right now, and maybe, you know, in some, and I can see that, you know, this was probably good. This was maybe good. $9 down from 12. So it doesn't actually look like anything too exciting was going on here. And it definitely doesn't look like anything too exciting is happening right now. I mean, just about every one is gone, right? Every clearanced one is gone. And it's sort of tricky because it looks like there's some boxes that are definitely over where the clearance stickers are, but unfortunately they are not the boxes that are on clearance. So looks like Walmart, at least for me, is a bust on the Legos. Well, wait a second, what's this here? We can check these out. Let's see. 12 down from 20. I think I've scanned these before and they haven't really been too good, but let's give it another shot. So actually this one here rang up for like $6 and some change. I think it was like $6.40-ish, but unfortunately on Amazon it is only selling for an amount that I cannot make profit. So after fees and everything, I'm only getting $7 back. So spending $6 to make $1 profit is not what I'm about. But here is the barcode in case anybody wants to check it out for themselves and see if they have it at your store. Some hidden clearance there, not $12 or $11, but in the 6s. So that's pretty good there. So I'm gonna share this little tip with you. These aren't on clearance, but anytime I see these cars, I always check them out. Check out this one here. Miguel Camino. This is one of the newer packs, but this guy right here is $372 and it's selling for $17 on Amazon. Some of these guys, they sell really well. So $11 is what Amazon is going to give back after fees and everything. I'm spending $372, so that's pretty good profit, right? It's $8-ish, so I'm going to pick that up. But as you can see, my cart is not, I mean, this is not ideal, right, if you're sourcing for profit. But we did find the little car. Let's check out some of these other ones here. Police guy, security, Shelby. We do want to check out this guy. Yeah, we want to check out this guy here. So this guy didn't actually come up on the barcode. I had to run it with the name. Actually, the picture didn't come up either. I just had to run it with the name. But selling for $24, 341,000 seller ranking, super high for toys. So I'm not sure about that one. I think I'm going to leave this one behind just because I would have to check out to make sure it was the right model and all that kind of stuff. Again, down these aisles, I mean, not really anything, man. Like, I mean, nothing. I've checked about all the aisles, just went down through here. Not really anything. There is some more clearance over here that I checked out on some previous days. Just some suits and stuff for Barbie, stuff like that. But as far as toys go, really nothing. So take one last look at this sad cart and our one find. That's going to end it for this trip. We didn't find much to resell, just one item, going to make about $8. Sometimes the clearance can be tricky, but one thing's for sure, Walmarts are everywhere. More people have them than they do TJ Maxx, Burlington, those kind of things. So rest assured, we will be going back out and I'm going to be taking you with me. I look forward to bringing you guys some more videos like this. If you like the content, make sure that you like the video, subscribe, leave a comment. I do want to say though too, that before you guys check out, it's always worth going to Walmart's, and even if you don't find something that you can resell, you may find something for yourself. For example, the toys. You may find something for the kids, for the grandkids, or for the homies. Keep an eye out, always be bargain hunting, and once you do, I'm telling you, once you start reselling with retail arbitrage, you are not going to want to pay full price for anything ever again once you see the clearance out there and the deals that are out there. So thanks everybody for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.